Three, go.
So everyone, good morning. I am here to Stephen and I am here to report about the topic of the group 3 and I am putting the region 3 region 3 or the Central Luzon. So the Central Luzon is known as the largest plain and rice producing region in the Philippines and known as the rice greenery in the Philippines. So region 3 is divided into 7 provinces. The Aurora, Bataan, Bulacan, Nueva Pampanga, Tarlac, and Zambales. So, these are the provinces divided by.
Go.
Next is fun fact about the provinces of the this region. So, first is the Aurora. So, Aurora is the capital of Aurora is Banger. So, and the landmass of Aurora is 3,214,732 hectares. And major industries of this province is agriculture, forestry, fishing, trade, and tourism. So there are no cities in Aurora. And the number of towns and municipalities in Aurora there are 8 towns and municipalities of this province. The next is the Bataan. Go to it. The next
Go.
province is Bataan. So the capital of Bataan is Balagay. The landmass of this province is 137,298. And the fifth, one of major industries here is aquaculture fishing. And there are there is one city in Bataan and it is divided into 10,000 municipalities. The next is Bulacan. So Bulacan, the capital Bulacan is Malolos. And the landmass of this province is 259,610. And the major industries of this province is marble, jewelry, pyrotechnics, pyrotechnics or producing of production of fireworks or and aquaculture, food products, garments, and furniture. So there are 3 cities in Bulacan, and it is divided into 21 towns and municipalities. So next is Nueva Ecija. The capital of Nueva Ecija is Palayan. So the landmass of this province is 559,123, and the major industries is agriculture, fish farms, and minerals. So famous minerals and gravel and clay mining. So there are 5 cities in Nueva and 27 towns and municipalities. The next province is Pampanga. Capital of Pampanga is San Fernando. The landmass of this province is 206,247. Major industries of this province is agriculture, trade, and tourism. There are 3 cities in Pampanga, and it is divided into 19 towns and municipalities. The next province is Tarlac. Capital of Tarlac is Tarlac City. So the landmass of this province is 205,160. And the major business of this provinces are agriculture, sugar, fish plant, minerals, and ceramics. So there is only one city in this province, and there are 18 towns and municipalities. So the last province is the Zambales. So the capital of Zambales is Lipa. So the landmass of this province is 263,066. And major industries is province is agriculture, fishing, mining, and trade. And there is only one city in this province and 13 towns and municipalities. So let's move on to the fourth axis of this region. So, if you visit traveling by air in Port Taxis, so you will go to Clark International Airport. So remains to be the international gateway to that region. Currently, carriers such as Philippine Airlines, Cebu Pacific Air, Asiana Airlines, Tiger Air, Jin Air, Qatar Air, Emirates Airlines, Dragon Air, Cathay Pacific, and Korean Air have flights. to and from different local and international destinations. So, and if you travel by air, you will go to different so air service offered by Maritime Corporation with the liabilities offers daily trips from City Complex Manila to Port 15 or Orion Bataan and vice versa. The two ferries that will service this route has a seating capacity of 261 and 150. Travel time is expected to take 45 to 60 minutes only. Next is, if you travel by land, you go via MacArthur Highway or the North Luzon Express or NLEX, Subic Clark Tarlac Expressway or CCTX and Tarlac Pangasinan La Union Expressway or TNX. The next is attractions and activities in this province. There it is. So first, Aurora. So the historical and cultural activities attractions in this province are Aurora, Aragon, Quezon Market, Quezon's Resource, Baler Catholic Church, and James Gilmore Market. So the natural attractions of this province is Ampere Beach, Anya Way, Balete Park at Millennium Creek, Sandy Springs, Bagong Springs, Burlungan Beach, Kasiguran sa Cement Beach and Reef, Kunayan Falls, Debut Bay, Disagalaran Bay, Digisit Beach, Dilasa Coast, Dimal, Langat Island, Bulawan Falls, and Sardis Point. So there is no good attractions known in this province. Next is Bataan. Historical cultural heritage attractions in Bataan are Bataan Provincial Capital, Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar, Francisco Balantas Monument, City Tunnel, and Shrine of Valor. So the natural attractions of this province are Anayan Beach and Nature Club, Balon Aniso, Barana Park, Barasakan, Malasimbo, Makati, Pasokulan Falls, Cebu Springs, and Talaga Beach. So the best attractions and the best attractions in this province are Philippine Japanese Ancient Tower, Fort Bataan Marker, Cerro Militar Marker, Bataan Nuclear Power Plant, Awika Conservation Center. So let's move on to Bulacan province. So
Go.
yes, let's go to Bulacan. So one of the historical, cultural, and historical heritage attractions of Bulacan is the Akabado Cave and the many more. And natural attractions is Aguinaldo and the other attraction is Bustos Rubber Dam. So in the base area is Gapan Ancestral Houses and Nagsasako and Church of Gapan. So in Pampanga, Angeles Colony Rosary or Parish Church, Miyagi Falls and Parap Peak, and Puntana Leisure Park. So in Tarlac, Aquino Ancestral House, ASEAN New Zealand Forestation Project, and Tarlac Recreational Park. And in the valley, one of the historical and cultural heritage attractions is Ramon Pepe Ancestral House. The natural attraction of this province is Anawangin Cove, and the best attraction is Capones Island Lighthouse. So, and this move to range of accommodation. So in Aurora, we are less than budget in accommodation in Aurora. So if you have a budget of less than 1,500 per night, so the available of this is Angara Beach House. If you in mid-range or 1,500 pesos to 3,000 per night is Beach Resort. The high-end budget is Costa Pacifica Resort. And in Bataan is Elysian Hotel, Palm Resort, and Las Casas Filipinas de Aguilar Hotel. In Bulacan, Greenville Drive-In, Malamig Park Resort, and Hotel Maspino. In Nueva Ecija, La Parilla Hotel, the Harvest Hotel, and Top Star Hotel. In Pampanga, Your Hotel Angeles, Red Planet Angeles, and Windows Hotel and Casino. In Tarlac, Hotel Sabo Tarlac, Metro Hotel by William, and in Zambales, Kutipot Gateway Resort, Horizon Hotel, and the Mangrove Resort Hotel, and many more. And let's move on to the food and delicacies in this region. So in Aurora, the food and the known food and delicacies in this province are Baler Sorman, Ensalada Taco, Ilang Pinto na Tinilaw, in Bataan, chicken balutana, taco salad, ginataang col, ocho or vitamin adoso, and banh mi or the Vietnamese sandwich. So are you next? Did you know that why there are Vietnamese delicacies in this region? Because back in 1990, there is a Vietnamese moved to the Philippines and become a refugee, and he became popular by bringing their food, bringing their food to and art. So that's why in Bataan, very popular this Vietnamese food. The land provided by Bulacan, Pinasa Bukis, Ilagang Manok sa Bukit, Ambon Bulakinya, and Zero. In sa isiha, ilang ice cream, meat from ilang kaya Batutay, chicken binakol, tortang kapal, medium, and Pampanga, sisig sarong bulaga, crispy paprika, and puro. And in Tarlac province, chicharon kamiling, tubig, inuman, in the province of Banes, Mango, Pangway, or Kalamay. Gilipa, Lingga, Pagnet, and Pastillas. So let's move to the recommended pasalubong in this region. So these are the top pasalubong in this region. So first is kasiguran virgin coconut wine, coconut vinegar, peanut butter, inasa cookies, lingua de gato, Bartelius, Herbert flakes, mango, pastillas, chicharon, Iranian chicasoy, cheese bread, Semada, Silvana, fresh carbon products, sabutan and moving products, wood and stone carvings, and antiques. So thank you for watching and listening to our report. So this is return to the table.